Tonight, one more reason not to get behind the wheel after a few drinks. In just a few hours, Wisconsin will get tougher on drunken driving. A new law takes effect at midnight. Some say it's a big step forward and it's going to make the streets safer.
However, others say it doesn't go far enough because Wisconsin drunken driving laws will still be among the most lenient in the nation. Fox 11's Lindsay Veramis has our balanced coverage tonight.
Starting at midnight, police say a new law will begin to address an old problem.
It is bothersome that people would choose to drive when they've had too much to drink and not only endanger themselves but endanger other people around them.
The new law brings stiffer penalties to a fourth-time offender, making that offense a felony if it happens within 5 years of another violation. It also requires repeat offenders and first-time offenders with a blood alcohol level of 0.15 or higher to use ignition interlocks. Interlocks prevent a car from starting if the driver has alcohol on their breath.
There's some very substantial changes in this law that we're very pleased with that will have the impact of significantly reducing drunk driving accidents, drunk driving fatalities, and drunk driving injuries.
The Brown County Tavern League supports the changes.
That goes after the true problem drinker and driver, the repeat offenders, the people caught with the high BACs. The parts that we usually fight are anything that goes after the social drinker.
She says this law doesn't do that. According to Mothers Against Drunk Driving, 40% of OWI convictions in Wisconsin are repeat offenders. The organization says similar ignition interlock laws in other states have reduced drunken driving fatalities by about 35%. That would equate to more than 70 lives saved each year in Wisconsin.
From that standpoint, we're very pleased about it, but there's a couple of things that the law doesn't go far enough.
Wisconsin remains the only state that doesn't always criminalize first offense drunken driving. It's still a traffic ticket under the new law unless you have a minor in the car.
You can always call a friend, a relative, or a cab.
If you've had too much to drink, police say there's just no reason to get behind a wheel. Lindsay Veramis, Fox 11 News.
Now, offenders who are ordered to use one of those ignition interlocks also have to pay for it. A local company that works with interlocks tells us that each one costs about $75 to install, and then there's a $66 a month rental fee after that.